Hello everyone! Today I want to show you one more review of a dress. This time it's my dress. You already know that I love long dresses, and you also know that I love chiffon dresses. This is a Lanvin-style dress. I saw a similar dress in Paris shop. I liked it a lot, so I decided to sew such one for myself. I used 6 meters of chiffon to make this dress. I wanted to have a close look at the dress when I'm walking. Have a look at me. Then I'll show you how this dress was made. I've added some details to the original design. The dress consists of the 2 details attached to each other on the shoulders. The front and the back necklines in the both details were etched separately. The lower dress was made using my 10 measurement cutting system. It's not flared much. I've decided not to cut extra pieces of the side details. I think that they also look very good. Have a close look at them. They were pressed open. The upper part of the dress is different. The back and the front necklines are the same, but the detail itself is absolutely straight. All the sides were edged with baby hem. Imagine how long it took to make it. I can also put the dress on this way. These 2 details on the front also make the dress look very interesting. What have I added to the original design? These side details. Here they are. And the detail on the front. These are kind of the 2 separate dresses attached to each other on the shoulders. I wanted to have a look at the dress once again. Do not say that the dress makes me look fat. I know that I'm big and I don't care. There is nothing worse in this world than a top of knitted fabric. Chiffon, lace, I love them. Clothes of knitted fabric show all the parts of our bodies which we want to hide. Now you know how this dress was made and how it looks like. The lower layer was made using my basic pattern, and the upper layer is absolutely straight. There are tiny pintucks on the sleeves. I wanted to see how this dress looks like when I'm walking. I know that I look big in this dress when I stand still, but it makes me look slim when I'm walking. I move a lot. It's hard for me to stand or sit still. The fabric is very light, and so is the dress. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. Do you like this dress? If yes, I can show you how to make it. My name is Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.